Your salary is not making you rich, it's actually keeping you broke. You work hard every month, get paid, pay bills, and start over again. Work, get paid, spend, broke, repeat, month after month after month. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even those earning six figures. But why does this happen? What's the actual trap? Your salary looks good on the surface, but underneath there are 5 traps silently draining your wealth. Today, I'm exposing all 5 traps and showing you exactly how to escape. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal the complete escape plan. Let's start with trap number 1. This one hits everyone. Trap number 1, the tax bite. It's bigger than you think. You think you earn $80,000 a year, but after federal, state, and payroll taxes, you don't. Your $80,000 just became $57,800, over $22,000 gone. Almost a third of your salary is gone before you even see a dollar. Here's what's unfair. Salary earners pay taxes first, business owners earn first and pay taxes later. The fix? Max out your 401k, use your HSA, claim every deduction you're entitled to. These strategies alone can save you $5,000 to $10,000 every single year in taxes. But taxes are just the beginning. Trap 2 is even worse. Trap number 2, lifestyle inflation, the silent wealth killer. Every time you get a raise, you upgrade your lifestyle. Bigger car, nicer apartment, fancier dinners. Your income keeps growing, but your expenses grow at the exact same rate. The gap stays zero. I know people earning $120,000 a year with literally $0 saved. Meanwhile, someone earning $55,000 has $150,000 invested. Let that sink in. Here's the rule. When your income goes up, keep your lifestyle the same and invest the difference. Got a $10,000 raise? Most people buy a new car. Smart people invest every extra dollar. That $10,000 invested every year for 20 years becomes over $670,000. But taxes are just the beginning. Trap 2 is even worse. Trap number 3, the debt spiral. This destroys wealth fast. It starts simple. You swipe the credit card, pay the minimum, then interest starts piling up. A $10,000 credit card balance at 24% takes 9 years paying minimums. You pay $13,000 in interest alone. You spent $10,000 on stuff, but paid $23,000 total. $13,000 went straight to the bank. The average American carries over $6,000 in credit card debt. Here's how to escape. Pay more than minimums. Attack the highest interest rate first. Stop adding new debt. Simple rule. If you can't pay for it in cash, you can't afford it. Trap 4 might be the most dangerous one of all. Trap number 4, you're trading your time for money with a hard ceiling. You trade 40 hours a week for a fixed paycheck. Stop working and the money stops completely. No matter how hard you work, there's a ceiling on how much your salary can grow. Wealthy people have multiple income streams. Salary workers have exactly one. That's the problem. The solution? Build income streams that work even when you don't. Dividend stocks, rental income, digital products, index fund growth. These pay you while you sleep. You don't have to quit your job. Use your salary to fund passive income streams on the side. Year 1, you have just your salary. By year 10, your passive income can replace your entire paycheck. Now the final trap, and this one is the most dangerous of all. Trap number 5, the comfort zone trap. This keeps you stuck. Your salary gives you just enough comfort to stop you from wanting more. You tell yourself, I'll invest next year. I'm doing okay. Retirement is far away. Then 10 years pass, 20 years pass, and you realized you wasted your best wealth-building years. Time is your single biggest asset, and every year you wait costs you thousands. Start at 25, you get $500,000. Start at 45, you get only $70,000. Same money. Break out of your comfort zone today. Not tomorrow, not next year, today. This week, open an investing account, set up automatic transfers, track your spending, just start. Small steps done consistently lead to massive wealth over time. Now, here's your complete escape plan from the salary trap. 1. Minimize your taxes, max out your retirement accounts, and claim every deduction you're entitled to. 2. Freeze your lifestyle when you get a raise, invest every extra dollar into your future. 3. Destroy your high-interest debt as fast as possible. Every dollar counts. 4. Build passive income streams, dividends, rentals, side businesses. Make money work for you. Minimize taxes, freeze lifestyle, kill debt, build passive income, and start today. That's the entire escape plan. You can stay trapped in the cycle forever, or you can start building your way out right now. Your salary is not the end goal, it's a tool. Use it to build something bigger than a paycheck. If you want to go deeper, watch my video on why people making $200,000 still end up broke. Smash that like button and subscribe if this opened your eyes today. I drop new videos every week breaking down money in a way that actually makes sense. Break free from the salary trap. Your future self will thank you. Start today. The trap only works if you let it. See you in the next one.